And if you take a look at these guys, you can see you can get paid from $6 all the way up to $21 per click using completely free traffic. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make that amount of money using completely free traffic in this super easy, beginner-friendly CPA marketing method that you can recreate literally in just a couple of minutes after watching this video with the help of one free AI tool. When it comes to making money online, CPA marketing is one of the easiest ways to start for complete beginners. And all you have to do for this to work is just have your laptop and an internet connection, so literally without any skills or any experience, you can start making anywhere from $20 up to $200 per hour just by using free traffic. And I've just quickly hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to this channel to never miss out on any of my future uploads, and also make sure to comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm. And now just let's get started. Okay guys, before we actually get started, I've got an announcement to make. I've got a couple spots still open in my coaching program, so if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using to make around $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet or without using my YouTube channel, and you can see right here that I made over $7,000 last 30 days actually, so it's not $6,000, it's $7,000, so the offer is even better right now. So if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using to get these results, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the short introduction video that I have prepared for you, and I hope to see you there. Okay, now just let's get started with CPA method, guys. First of all, you want to go to Google, and what you want to search for is Mixo.io. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this website right here. As you can see, it's going to help you launch your startup in seconds. So just click on that and go to Mixo.ai. And as you can see, this is like a AI website generator, which is a brand new thing that's super easy and super cool, because from one single prompt, you will be able to generate an entire website in a matter of seconds. So even if you don't know how to set up a website, Mixo is going to do it for you. What you want to do is go up here and click on Get Started for free, and you get to this prompt where you can write what you want your website to be about. Now for this method, I've got a very specific niche that I want you to go with, because the entire traffic source and the entire CPA marketing method is based around this niche. So what I want you to write in here is something like website about newest mobile game promotions in 2023. It's very important that you're going to put this mobile keyword in there, because we are actually going to be promoting mobile games in today's video. But don't worry if you don't know any mobile games, because I'm going to show you exactly how to get source of material for your website completely for free in seconds. So just click on generate website, and it's going to take a couple of seconds to actually generate this website for you. You can see it's connecting to AI, generating startup name and all that good stuff. Pretty much this entire process takes just a couple of seconds, because this AI bot is going to generate this website for you. And once it finishes generating your website, it's going to look something like this. You can see right away it's going to fit this website to fit the niche that you have put into the comment prompt. And pretty much this is like a very good quality website, because to generate something like this on your own without having any experience previously, that will take actually a couple of hours to get the right tools, to write the resources. But using Mixo, in just a couple of seconds, you will be able to get this very high quality base for your website that you can now customize by clicking this button right here that says save and customize. So just click on that, and now what you want to do once you open it up is to start customizing it and actually promoting real mobile games. Now to do that, just go to Google, and what you want to search for is something like top 5 mobile games in 2023. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go through these websites and choose one that you want to go with. You can also go ahead and choose the games that you want to be promoting from these YouTube videos that are going to be in the search results, but you also have to get some images from the video games. So that's why I highly recommend that you go to one of these websites that is going to have these images that you can use for promoting these video games. So as you can see right here, this website has this very high quality article promoting these video games that are designed for mobile, anything from Call of Duty, Rainbow Six, Warcraft, Lord of the Rings, and lots of other cool video games for mobile. And we are going to be using these video games to get money using CPA marketing. So what you want to do is go back to your Mixo website, and you want to start customizing it. First of all, I'm going to edit this title, because I'm not happy with what's written in there. So I'm just going to go to this site settings, scroll all the way down here where it says SEO description, and I'm going to rewrite this first sentence into discover the latest mobile gaming trends in 2023. Then I'm just going to into this content, and where it says hero, I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to rewrite this, discover the latest mobile games. No, I don't want that. I'm just going to select this, rewrite it into mobile game trends in 2023, just like that. Then you can just skip pretty much this entire part. If you want, what you can do is also go ahead and change this image for something to do with mobile games. Pretty much all you need to do is just find it in this toolbar, click on it, and as you can see right here, you can also exchange it for YouTube video, but that comes with the paid version of Mixo. If you're going to be using free version as we are in today's video, because I want to show you how to do this completely with zero investment, you can just exchange this image for something. For example, go to Google and search for mobile games. Go to images and choose one of these. For example, I like this one for some reason, so I'm just going to download it. Then go back to Mixo, click on this image and you replace it with the image that I have just downloaded. Just like that, for example. Then the most important part of this method is these 3 sections right here, where it says, in this case, save money on your favorite games, discover new games, get access to exclusive content, and then the rest of this website that we are not probably going to be using. But these 3 sections, what you want to actually do is replace with content, relevant content regarding these video games that you have found on Google. So for example, let's say we are going with this Pokemon Go game. So what I'm going to do is save this image just as well, then go back to Mixo and I'm going to start editing these sections. To do that, what you want to do is click on these features right here, and as you can see, you've got 1, 2, 3 features, which pretty much means these 3 sections can be edited individually, and if you want, you can also go ahead and add multiple of these. So let's get started with this first one. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and change this title to Pokemon Go, something like that. Then go to this image and I'm going to replace it with the image from the website about the video game. And as you can see right here, guys, and this is very important, if you're wondering if you can use these images from other websites on your site, you can see right here that it's being formatted to WebP, which means pretty much I'm not downloading the image itself, I'm downloading like a link to it and then I'm going to embed it on my website. So without worries, you can go ahead and use images from other websites too, because we are also going to add credit to the original website. So pretty much just click on upload and it's going to get uploaded. Then what I'm going to do in this section, I want to generate a small article about this game. For that reason, I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to ask it to write me a 2 sentences promoting Pokemon Go mobile game. Hit enter, let ChatGPT do its thing, and as you can see right here, it's going to give you these 2 sentences that you can pretty much just copy and paste into your Mixo website. So I'm just going to do exactly that. Copy it, go back to Mixo, and in this description part, I'm just going to select it entirely and paste it in there. Then just go back to ChatGPT and copy this second sentence, just like that, and paste it in there just as well. Now comes the part where I'm going to show you how to actually make money with this website, and for that, what you want to do is go to OGAds.com, and I highly recommend that you go to OGAds.com because it has one of the highest paying offers that I'm going to show you. Pretty much what you want to do is sign up for your account, then just log right into it. And if you go to offers right here and you filter by United States, you can see right here that the highest paying offers are paying anywhere between $16 to $21 per one completion, and obviously these are app installs. Okay, you can see right here that these are promoting some different video games for mobile. For example, this first is called The Gambler World. I don't know what that is actually. Then there's this Fishdom video game. Pretty much I'm not familiar with any of these, but the way this works, OG Ads is paying you for promoting these video games because they are getting paid to promote those video games, and then they are basically outsourcing the job to you in form of CPA marketing. So once somebody is going to download this video game to their mobile, you're going to get paid this amount of money. Make sure that you're going to be promoting these games at the top of the list instead of these down here, these lower paying ones. What you want to do is go up here into this toolbar once again, click on tools, click on content locker, and you want to click on create a content locker right here. Just click on that, and what you want to do is pretty much go ahead and fill in a bunch of these fields. For example, name of this is going to be Pokemon Go because I'm going to be using it to log content on Pokemon Go section on my AI generated website. Then you can skip this field right away. You need to make sure that it's going to be selected to this redirect to another URL. Then what you want to do is go to YouTube and you want to search for Pokemon Go trailer, or pretty much any video game that you're going to be using on your website. You want to go to YouTube and you want to search for trailer for that game. Once you find a trailer that you want to go with, just right click on it and select copy link address. Then go back to OG Ads and you want to paste it into this redirect URL field. That means every time somebody is going to complete this CPA locker, they will be redirected to the video game trailer that's on YouTube. and they can go from there deciding if they want to play the game or not. But because they are going to complete this content locker, you are going to get paid money, and now all you have to do is just go up here, and in this advanced section, what you want to do is go to this payout threshold, and you want to select a payout threshold that is the lowest amount of money paid for each completion that you want to promote in your CPA locker. So for that reason, I'm just going to write in there $15 because the top two offers were paying $16 and $21. So now this content locker is going to be promoting only offers that are paying above $15. Once you do that, pretty much what you want to do is click on create a locker, and it gets created, and right here you need to go to these actions and open it up and click on view details. Scroll all the way down here, and you want to find this red URL that's going to be somewhere in these details of the CPA locker, and you want to just copy it, then go back to your Mixo website, and you want to pretty much scroll all the way down here where it says button label and button URL, and what you want to do here is just pretty much write in there check it out now, and in this button URL you want to paste the link to your content locker, and it's going to look something like this. You can see that there's this game displayed right here with a very catchy image that you have gotten from Google, and it has this short description, and pretty much every time somebody wants to check it out, they will click on this button and they will have to complete the CPA locker, and that's how you get paid. Now what you want to do is customize rest of these sections just as well. Just go to the website that you got in the original game from. For example, let's go with this Call of Duty Mobile. I'm just going to save image, open this second feature, and I'm going to replace this image with the Call of Duty file. Again, ask ChatGPT to write you 2 sentences to promote this game, so I'm just going to copy them, paste them in there, go to YouTube, look for Call of Duty Mobile trailer. I'm just going to copy its link, create a Call of Duty Mobile content locker, then just go to actions, copy its link, and create a button embedded with the CPA locker. Then just pretty much go ahead and do this for this third part just as well. For example, let's go with Crush Royale, and just do the exact same thing for this game as well. Create a content locker embedded into this button, and once you have a couple of games on your website, what you want to do is just click on publish, and it's going to take a moment to publish this site for you. And as you can see right here, you've got your link ready. And what you want to do now is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic to it, and for that you've got multiple options. You can go to different social media websites and promote this link to the relevant audience, and one of the easiest ways to do that is just pretty much go to Twitter, and you can just write simple tweet, for example something like, hey, do you play mobile games? From the latest game reviews to expert tips, exclusive content, blah blah blah, something like this. Pretty much what you want to do is promote a website about mobile games, the very same website that you have created on Mixo, and what you want to do then is just copy its link and paste it into your tweet. Then just make sure you're going to also add a bunch of relevant hashtags, and if you're looking for the most relevant hashtags for your tweet, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for top trending Twitter hashtags for mobile games. You can use this exact same tactic for any tweet that you're going to be posting, but today we are dealing with mobile games, so that's the reason I'm looking for hashtags for mobile games. And if you're going to open this website up, you get a couple of options that you can pretty much just copy and paste into your tweet, and then just hit on tweet, and it's going to get out there and it's going to start getting traffic. Now just one tweet is not going to cut it, okay? You want to tweet this website a couple of times per day, or you can also go ahead and go to the search bar and look for mobile games, and you want to start posting it in the replies to these already famous tweets. That way you're going to get traffic to your website that you have created on Mixo, and every time somebody is going to check out one of these video games, they're going to click on this button, they will be taken to the content locker, and once they complete it, you're going to get paid. And that's it for today, guys. Now if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using to make anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet or using this YouTube channel, just go to the first link in the video description, and I hope to see you there. Now if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out one of these videos that's popping up right about now. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.